Saksankuja 5 in Forssa, staircase B. In 1974 and minus in 2004 it's 32176 basement. Ceiling has been vandalized and wall also, not this side fortunately. I see our doors in other floors than ground floor. Sixth floor. Four so 320 kilograms. The hospital has very many modernized elevators. I just finished one elevator at healthcare center wing basement. And opposite the healthcare center there are 6 or 8 elevators. Nice by Kone this year unfortunately. Or I'm sorry, it's Kone. Let's hope that it's still Kone, but 6th floor. Still much better before and no need to modernize them. And 5 more elevators opposite the healthcare center are going to be modernized next year, unfortunately. But I got them filmed. And this year, modernized elevators are locked off, so it's not so bad. Then the open elevators. Ground floor. That's